Welcome to Ditec, leading company in the manufacturing of motors and accessories for access automation. Enjoy the convenience of your sliding gate with the most durable and guaranteed reliability of the Ditec ION electromechanical actuators. They make installation super easy and maintenance blissful. Coming with 2 motors for sliding gates of up to 600 kg wing, this super quality automation device comfortably merges into the multifunction control panel system of your operating device for easy functionality. That's not all. This amazing electromechanical actuator exhibits great intelligence with the ability to automatically record each stopping position and then self-customizing to suit your installation preferences. It also has a 24 V Virtual Encoder to quickly detect any unwanted obstacles on your gate's way, for timely inversion of motion or immediate, pausing evading danger. And if you're in an area that faces random power blackout, this device comes with an option of setting the electronic control panel to immediately activate the incorporated batteries, so your sliding gate continues to operate smoothly. You'll also love the versatility of this Ditec ION automation gadget. For instance, you get to comfortably manage the position and speed of your sliding gate from the control panel. So you get to decide how it moves at each point and how dramatic the opening and closing speed will be. It even accommodates magnetic limit switches for when you want to achieve precise adjustments. What's more, the temperature sensors of this device automatically fine-tune to help achieve optimum motor performance in all weather conditions, snow included. Plus, for energy-saving enthusiasts, you can easily set it into energy-saving mode by disconnecting accessories. Easy. With it, all you've to do is rest easy and enjoy your newfound digital era companion. With Ditec ION electromechanical actuators, convenience is in your hands.